Today we are going to look at the different forms of energy. Mechanical, electrical, chemical, thermal, nuclear, radiant, and sound. We will also learn about the law of conservation of energy, potential energy, and kinetic energy.
Mechanical energy is energy created through movement. Examples of mechanical energy can be anything from cars' wheels to a bird's wings flapping to create flight.
Electrical energy is the movement of electrons from an area of high potential to one of the low potential. Examples range from batteries to a power plant.
Chemical energy is a type of energy that is generated when a chemical reaction between atoms, ions, or molecules form. Your body stores chemical energy from food, and plants use chemical energy they gain through photosynthesis.
Thermal energy is generated from heat. Thermal energy can be seen with a running vehicle or an athlete in motion.
Nuclear energy is found when the splitting of an atom occurs. Nuclear energy can be seen in the form of an atom bomb and nuclear power plants.
Radiant energy is generated from a light source. Examples of radiant energy can be anything from a light bulb to the sun.
Sound energy is when vibration makes sound. Sound is all around us, but is not typically used as an energy source as its output is small.
Now, let's take a look at the law of conservation of energy. The law of conservation of energy states that it cannot be created or destroyed. Energy can only be transformed or converted from one form to another. A good example of this can be found in food cycle, as energy is passed from the sun to plants, from plants to animals, and then back to plants again. This energy is not created or destroyed, just passed from one to another.
Energy is found in two states, potential or kinetic. Potential energy can be found in different forms. There is elastic potential, where the stored energy of a material is stressed or compressed, like a bow or rubber band. Chemical potential, where energy is stored in the bond between two atoms, can be found in foods and batteries. Lastly, there is gravitational potential energy, where the stored energy due to the position of an object. Examples of this can be water at the top of a waterfall.
Now we are going to look at 6 forms of energy using an object in most houses, and especially a teacher's office. A standard coffee maker.
First, the coffee pot is plugged into a socket generating electrical energy. This electrical energy turns the lights on at the front of the coffee maker, creating radiant energy.
Second, the electrical energy turns on the heating element at the base of the coffee maker, creating thermal energy. As the water heats, it wants to expand. Running from the bottom coffee maker is some metal tubing. As the water expands, it begins to push its way up the tubing. Here, thermal energy creates mechanical energy by moving it up the tubing. The water in the coffee maker was full of potential energy. As it becomes kinetic, it works against gravity.
The mechanical energy of our bodies ingests the coffee. The coffee is digested by our body, creating chemical energy.
The chemical energy is created by absorption of the caffeine in turn creates mechanical energy, sometimes too much mechanical energy. Thank you for watching our video on energy transformations. We hope you enjoyed it.